If you are looking for best paid auto-tune plugin, then go for this. Yo, the name is Gosa once again, and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, leave a comment and subscribe. So if you're a music producer, instrumentalist, vocalist, mixing engineer, sound engineer, artist, and you are looking for best paid auto-tune plugin, don't worry, today I'm going to show you one of the best paid auto-tune plugin in the market that a lot of music producers, a lot of mixing engineers, musicians, artists, instrumentalists, vocalists are using, and you can also go for this, teach you how to use this particular auto-tune. All right, so without wasting much of your time, I want you to listen to these vocals, but first let me change the color to red like this. Super simple. Listen to this without any auto-tune, only reverb on the ad-lib. If you don't know how to use reverb, I have a full video there, go and watch that. I'm using the Valhalla Vintage Verb. Alright, this is the Valhalla Vintage Verb. If you don't know how to use it, I have a full video, go and watch that. Alright, so guys, let me introduce the auto-tune. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. The auto-tune plugin, I mean the best paid auto-tune plugin in the market. One of them is Auto-Tune Artist. This is also coming from Antares. Antares are doing great jobs, but they have not sponsored this video. In my opinion, if you are looking for best paid auto-tune plugin, you can go for Auto-Tune Artist. Alright, Auto-Tune Artist is simple to use. It comes with the routine speed, the humanized knob, the natural vibrator, and the flex tune. Alright, and as you can see, it's simple to dial in all the way up and down. Super simple. Comes with the scale. You can browse through a lot of scale, then also change your key over here. The soprano input type, auto tenor, the input type you can also browse through. So guys, first thing first, let's set our key, which is C sharp minor. So change this to minor and this one to C sharp. And guys, I want to take this opportunity to teach you how to use Auto-Tune Artist. Alright, so the routine speed is how much you wanna auto-tune your vocal. The more you crank it all the way up, the more auto-tune you're gonna feel. I mean, the more T-pain effects you're gonna feel on your vocal. So let's exaggerate things. I'm gonna push the routine speed all the way up. Listen to the vocals once again. That's crazy, right? So the more you crank the routine speed all the way up, the more T-pain effects you're gonna get. Alright, and anytime we auto-tune our vocals, we mostly sound like robots. So we want to add realism to our vocals so that we're not gonna sound like robots. So in order for we to add realism, we have to give it a little bit humanized. Alright, so that we will not sound like robots. So now listen to this once again. That's pretty simple, and you can also play with the flex tune. Alright, add a little bit flex tune to it. Now you can hear the vocals are no more shaking without the Auto-Tune Artist. Listen. And with Auto-Tune Artist, listen. That's great. You can also add natural vibrator if you want. Now you've heard the natural vibrator. I'm not going to use this on the vocals. Now guys, for you to sound natural, always the routine speed, push it to 20 routine speed or 30 routine speed, and this is going to make you sound natural. Give it a little bit, humanize, flex tune it a little bit, and the input type, if it's a female soprano, if it's a male, play around alto tenor and low male. Alright, so once this one is a female, let's listen to this. That's crazy, right? And guys, with auto-tune artists, you can create unique vocals. For you to create unique vocals, all you need to do is to play with the transpose knob here. Listen, once I exaggerate things here. That's crazy, that's crazy. I'm gonna reset everything. You can even play with the D tune. Let's exaggerate things.